What is up, guys? Today I will be going thrifting with y'all, taking you guys with me on an adventure. Taking you guys with me to do my most favorite thing I ever love doing. I don't know how to word that. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna be going thrifting, give you guys some tips, what I look out for in the thrift store, what I like finding, what I hope to find. Let me just show you guys my outfit. Is today's outfit. I actually thrifted this top. This beanie is my friend Quinn's. I really like it. I just cropped it today. These sweats were thrifted. And then these shoes are from one of those shoe stores, Foot Locker or Foot Locker. One of those stores, you know what I'm saying. So I will be filming this little vlog thrifting thing on my phone today because it is way more low-key than carrying around my camera and tripod. That is that. Tip number one for thrifting. This is my third time going thrifting this week, and I'd say tip number one would be go often as you can, I'd say, because that's how you'll find the most stuff if you go more. So yeah. So I'd say my favorite thrift store would probably be this one. This is like my home thrift store. This is the Art Foundation on Oxnard Boulevard. Most of my thrifted clothes come from here. So at any thrift store, my favorite section is the athletic section / sweatpants section / workwear section. That's usually where I find all my utility and raver type looking clothes and jumpsuits and overalls and stuff like that. I didn't find any of that today, but I did find these cute little jersey Nike sweats, which leads me to my second tip, which is try on the clothes. Don't be shy, don't be embarrassed. You want to try everything on because thrift stores are usually final sale, and you don't want to buy something and then when you get home it doesn't fit. So I recommend trying whatever you're getting, whatever's in your basket, whatever. Try it on over the clothes that you're already wearing. Usually if it fits over the clothes, that means it's gonna fit you. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so yeah, these. I bought them actually, and they ended up fitting really well. You could actually style them already, and it looked really good. You could go check that out on my Instagram. But anyways, this is the pants section. I freaking love pants. I think the things I thrift most, like at the thrift store, are pants. I love pants, especially from the thrift store, because they have all different types, and usually they have more high-waisted pants, and that's usually like my thing, because like at normal stores the high-waisted pants just don't fit me right, and other pants just fit me right. Low-rise jeans just look weird on me and give me muffin top, and high-waisted pants just fit my body best. But this is just me looking through the jackets. It's getting into that season and I don't have any jackets right now, so just thought I'd pick up that simple jacket. This thrift store in particularly has sales, and so it's like whatever color tag it is, they have the corresponding discount. And this week it was pink tags were 40% off. I didn't get any pink tags really, so whatever. T-shirts, I don't really look at the t-shirts, but when I do, I usually buy extra large t-shirts and wear them baggy, or I buy like a small to medium t-shirt and then I crop it. Yeah, also just walking around, it's so hard not to look at the little knickknacks and stuff. So I got that little plant, which is really cute. Bags, I love the bags so much because they just complete like monochromatic looks. These are the shoes. Shoes are a hit or miss, really. I usually find inspiration from like the dirty old shoes they have, and then I'll go look at shoes online or in stores. Sometimes I find cool shoes, but they're usually not my size. Belts are a really fun accessory. I always forget about the belt section at the thrift store, but usually I wouldn't buy something this color or this style, but I thought I'd challenge myself, so I bought that belt. And actually the belt was pink tag, so I got it 40% off. This thrift store has like a premium section where they put all the stuff they feel is a little more valuable. I don't really buy anything from this section ever really, but I just browse just in case I ever see anything. Bags again, purses, really good way to accessorize and, you know, really pull together an outfit. All different types of color bags. You could see the variety at the thrift store, different styles. This like little Coach bag, very Y2K. It also had a blue one. Yeah, monochromatic looks are just very, very clean, very easy to put together. Just more bags. This bag I thought would be cute with like a purple look. I just wanted to show you guys that they have inexpensive bags which are really cute that you could just buy and have for monochromatic looks. Keep saying that because like monochromatic looks are just so good. They're just so pleasing and matching. The black jacket, I didn't get it. It just wasn't puffy enough. This jacket, I got it because it was just so simple. It just really is like a staple in anybody's closet, really, just like a flight jacket. And pants, I tried on these pants. They actually fit really, really good. High-waisted. You can Google how to know if pants are high-waisted because it's really hard for me to explain it through this voiceover. But yeah, I got these ones too. These were high-waisted as well. I like high-waisted pants because they just are very flattering on me, as you could see. If I were to wear low-waisted pants, they just accentuate all the wrong things, like my muffin top and stuff like that. This is the second thrift store. More shoes. These two thrift stores are literally like 30 seconds away from each other and like 1 minute walk. Really thought this like 90s high school jacket, like from that one show. I forgot what that show was. Geeks and Freaks. I just felt like that would be in that show. More joggers, sweatpants, workwear section that I love. And I would freaking run into my friend Jonathan. He is so freaking cool.
Hi, my name's Yonni. I fucking love thrifting. It's my life. I live it, breathe it, shit it out of me, all that.
Yes, let's get the outfit.
These are sick, by the way.
This kid is so creative. He has such an amazing style. Outfits are always on point. Thrift finds. He always finds the dopest shit. But anyways, next hack is from him. Look through every single piece of clothing. Don't skip because you never know what's gonna be on the rack. The thrift store is so freaking random that you can't really estimate it. You just gotta look through everything. And this is an example. We were looking at the same rack and I was looking through it and he looked through it after me and he found this jacket which I thought was so freaking cute and I would have got if I saw it, but I was skipping and wasn't looking thoroughly, so I lost out on this cute jacket and he got it. But yeah. And then this guy right here, he was just showing us his gorilla suit or whatever, and I just thought I'd put him in the video. I found this jacket, didn't get it, but it really reminded me of like Yeezy, Kim K. This leather thing vest Yonni picked out. Thought it was cute. This jacket, oh my god, this is like my favorite thing of... This has to be in like my top favorite finds at the thrift store. I love this stitching. I forgot what it's called when they... Contrast. I love the contrast stitching so much. So much. Anyways, this is the end of the thrift with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did something a little bit different with this voiceover thing. Hope you guys liked it, and you can check out the haul, which I will post separately. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to making more videos like this for you guys. Bye.